Sir, will you have something else?
No.
Okay, I'll go and bring your bill.
Wait. Uh, I don't have money for the bill.
You are doing a prank now?
No. I'm telling you the truth. Don't judge a book by its cover. Even if the clothes are expensive, but there's nothing in my pocket.
Sir, if you didn't have money, so why you ordered so much food?
Actually, I was hungry.
If you won't pay the bill, it will be deducted from my salary.
Look, if there's any other way, if you say, then I'm ready to do anything. Washing utensils, cleaning, whatever you say.
Sir, looking at you, I feel you are so rich.
It was a few days ago. My company was in a loss for a long time, and I had taken a loan from the bank. I wasn't able to pay the loan, so bank seized everything. Now there's no house, no office, no car. Everything is over.
So wrong happened with you. Sorry.
What can we do? It's God's will. You tell me, what should I do?
Nothing, sir. I'll pay your bill. You can go.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir. Sure.
Thank you so much. Okay, can you do me a favor?
Tell me.
Can you give me some money so that I can go by auto or rickshaw?
Let me go and see in my purse how much cash I have. 1 minute. Uh, I have some 500 rupees. You do one thing, keep 400 rupees. 100 I need to go back to home.
You are so generous. You have 500 rupees in total and you are giving me 400 rupees.
So what, sir? You need them right now.
Okay, can you tell me that how much you make in a day?
Uh, this is my part-time job. So my monthly salary is 15,000. So per day maybe I get 400 500 rupees.
So means you are giving me your income for a day.
Um, right now you need them, na sir? That's why.
Look, you are giving me your income of a day. I want to give you something in return.
For me? What?
I want to give you my income for a day. This is for you.
This much money? But sir, you told me you don't have money.
I was lying to you. I wanted to see your reaction. But I'm surprised to see how generous you are. In today's world, no one helps anyone without a reason. And you gave me 400 out of 500 and you are ready to pay my bill also.
Actually, parents always taught me if we are capable to help someone, so we should always help them, no matter whatever the situation is, no matter whoever the person is. That's why. And humanity teaches us same thing, na sir?
You have a very good thinking. And I'm giving you this money for your mindset.
No sir, they are so much. I can't take them.
It's not that much. It's my income for a day. Just like you gave me your income for a day. I'm giving you my income for a day as well.
They are so much, sir. Please understand.
People give you tips, right?
Yes.
And you must be taking them. So think of it like I'm giving you a tip. You give me the money, I took it quietly. Now you take it quietly too. Invest this money in yourself, in your studies or anywhere, so that you can go ahead and do a good job somewhere.
Thank you so much, sir.
Welcome. And always be like this. You'll go so far.
Thank you.
And thank you for this.